Hey guys, since it's almost Earth Day, I thought I would share an upcycle idea. I made a water-resistant pouch using this rice bag. Open and clean the bag. I made a rectangular template. Found the parts of the bag that I wanted to use and cut out 4 pieces, 2 inner and 2 outer pieces. I used a pencil to trace my template so that I could erase the marks afterwards. I didn't really care what the inner pieces look like. I did want the word sushi on the outer piece. I shortened my zipper to be 10 1/4 of an inch. Place the zipper between one inner and one outer piece with the back sides facing out. Align it at the top and sew 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Flip it so that the front sides are facing out and crease it. Then place the other side of the zipper between the other inner and outer piece with the back sides facing out. Align it at the top and sew. Flip it so that the front sides are facing out and crease it. Then sew a top stitch on both sides of the zipper. Then flip it so that the inner pieces are together and the outer pieces are together. Align all the sides. Fold the zipper towards the side with the inner pieces. Unzip it a little. Sew around the sides and leave an opening on the inner piece's side. Then trim around the corners to prevent bunching. Next, go through the opening and unzip part and turn it inside out. Use something like a sticker pencil to reach the corners. Then sew the opening closed and tuck it in. The pouch ended up being 9 1/2 by 6 1/2 inches. And here's how it turned out.